doing?
Doing great.
You gonna join me soon?
Sure.
Hey, I'm doing it.
I know.
And actually, well, that wasn't very good, but it doesn't have to be perfect. It's just the fact that after a year, I'm getting back rolling. And I know you can too. And that's what we're going to talk about today. We're going to talk about getting back online after a year of maybe not being there or being there in a way that really wasn't useful because of COVID. So, before we get started, hit that subscribe button and the alert bell so that you get all my upcoming videos. And this was a fun way to do it today because I really did want to get back to rollerblading, and it's kind of like a metaphor for getting back online, because now is the time to do it. If you've been hesitating, if you haven't wanted to kind of do whatever it is to feel good about getting online again, I can help you with that, because this is a season that is so important for you to get online. Between now and February 14th is a time where more people go online than they do the entire rest of the year. What this means is that, first and foremost, you need to be there. Because without it, you're kind of nowhere, especially now during COVID, when everyone's wearing a mask, and restaurants and bars and gyms and places where normally we socialize, we cannot. And certainly not in the same way we did prior to March of 2020. So in 2021, this means you're going to have to get back rolling in a way that will help you create the most opportunities for your romantic life. That's online. Statistics show that January 1st of any year is the most important day because more than any other day of the year, men go online, and women too. But mostly we're here for you to understand the male mind in dating, and especially in dating online. If you've done any dating online before, you know it's super tricky. And there can be these pitfalls and falling on your butt, so to speak, and not wanting to get back up, not wanting to go on again because it feels like an exercise in frustration and certainly in time wasting. And that's what I don't want to happen for you. It's why I developed O.N.E Love, online to never-ending love, 7 simple steps to digital dating success. Because when you know exactly what to do, and I also give you exactly what to say, it really is a formula that is working so well for my clients to create real relationships with men that they desire from online. And it's creating those relationships right out of the gate that sets you up for smooth sailing. And what I mean by that is that the man needs to put you in the right category right from the start, right from seeing your pics with the exact sweet spot in terms of number and presentation. And then your profile. What you don't say is even more important than what you do say. And what you don't include is even more important than what you do include. And I help you with all of that. Then there is going from swiping or on the app to actual texting conversation. Here's where I will let you know most all women turn the corner in terms of falling over and not getting the success that they deserve. When any woman meets a man from online without that man having introduced himself to her in a proper way, she is setting herself up for falling on our butt. And this is truer than any statement I can make about women being online. Here's why. Because a man believes what you do with him, you do with all men. It's just a foundational principle from which I work that is so, so helpful for all of my clients. And what that means is that if you go and meet a man who just texts you and says, would you like to meet? And you do, it automatically puts you in the male brain in the wrong category that does not allow you to possibly have success and being expert level for him to want to achieve you, to want to achieve your time, attention, and affection. And this is what O.N.E Love helps you set up by knowing what to say, exactly how to say it in a very value-based, feminine, soft way, whereby he will want to meet you. And more importantly, when you take this all-important third step in the 7 simple steps, it helps him desire you and set it up for him to really start to feel something. So that means after you've met him, if you feel the same, you're already set up with all the right gear, with everything you need in a metaphorical way to really start clear sailing and not having so many stumbles and pitfalls. And in this program, then, I am helping you through all of those rocky ridges in the road that you have to roll over smoothly. You can do this. And again, whether you've been online before many times and said, I can't deal with this, I'm not going to do it. I don't want you to feel that way because, again, in 2021, it's going to be the way. And without you really being there, I don't want you to waste a year of your romantic life waiting for outside forces to change. Because when you change in this way, with the help of a real game changer, which this program is, it can help you so, so much to get the love and the real relationships that you desire and deserve. That's what I'm all about. Because I believe that when we do things heretofore that we might have said, oh, I did that before, but we do it in a new way, and the way we look at it changes, it begins to change. And I want this to be a game changer for you. So ask me anything below, make a comment, but most importantly, go to the link below and click on it for a serious discount. So make sure to click that link below, get the incredible discount I am offering you now, because I believe that women are love in the world and you deserve it, and you deserve to be dating in 2021, and you deserve to be meeting Mr. Rights, not Mr. Time Wasters. So please do that. Ask me any questions below, and actually you and I will be talking then very soon, and I look forward to that.